Hey traders, economic indicators are the lifeblood of the forex market. By understanding how these numbers impact currencies, you will be able to make more informed trading decisions. Let's dive into the key indicators that move the market. GDP is the big picture of a country's economic health. A strong GDP indicates growth, which often leads to currency appreciation. It's like the engine of a car. A powerful engine drives the car forward, and a strong GDP propels a currency higher. Employment numbers, especially the non-farm payrolls in the US, are closely watched. A thriving job market boosts consumer confidence and spending, which is good for the economy and the currency. Conversely, rising unemployment can weaken a currency. Inflation measures the rate at which goods and services increase. Moderate inflation is generally seen as a sign of economic growth. However, high inflation can erode purchasing power and may prompt central banks to raise interest rates, impacting currency values. Central banks wield significant power over currency values through interest rate decisions. Higher interest rates attract foreign investors, boosting demand for the currency. Conversely, lower rates can weaken a currency. A country's trade balance, the difference between imports and exports, influences currency value. A trade surplus, more exports than imports, strengthens a currency, while a deficit weakens it. Consumer confidence reflects how optimistic people feel about the economy. High confidence leads to increased spending, boosting economic growth and currency value. Low confidence can have the opposite effect. Retail data gives insights into consumer spending habits. Strong retail sales indicate a healthy economy and can positively impact currency values. Indices like the Purchasing Managers Index measure the health of the manufacturing and services sectors. A strong PMI suggests economic expansion, which can support currency appreciation. For commodity exporting countries, commodity prices are crucial. Rising commodity prices often lead to currency appreciation as these countries earn more foreign exchange. Understanding these economic indicators is essential for forex traders. By keeping a close eye on these indicators, you can anticipate potential currency movements and make informed trading decisions. Remember, economic data is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine it with technical analysis and risk management for optimal results. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay informed and trade smart.